Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 10th, Tuesday. Let's look at the overall market before we get started and go over our trades. So let me pull that up real quick. So as you can see, let me pull up the SPY, right? SPY today, obviously, up and down today, not bad. But if you look at the daily chart, right? It got rejected pretty bad yesterday at these levels. So it would be nice to see, if SPY holds like this level right here, which is the 350s. So, and maybe consolidate or go up, a bit higher right here and then down and then go on up trend like that. So let's see how it turns out. But overall, the small cap market had momentum, but some of the patterns did not play out. So I was playing it very safe. So let's go over the watch list first. So just like any other day, I come, to my desk and I see what stocks are gapping up and whatnot. So GTEC was one of the ones I was watching. So MEDS, again, GTEC, I was watching. WISA, I was watching. BORR, I was watching. And I'll show you the trades I took. I took trades on MOGO. Oh, that's the other one I was watching. It was gapping up in the morning. So MOGO, AMC, BORR, SNDL, right? So SNDL was running from, I believe, yesterday. MOGO, same thing. AMC, it was a false breakout. So first, let's go over AMC. I feel like that's going to be a clean pattern where it got rejected, right? So I got in at AMC at pretty much around 9:46, well, 6:46 my time, right? For the breakup 4. So if we go to AMC, let me turn off this volume real quick. All right, so if you go to AMC, I got in literally for the break of this part right here, right? So this part, right? So as it came up to 4, I thought this may break, but it actually didn't, right? So 4 right here, right? So it broke like a cent and then it came back down. So it was a false breakout, didn't work out, and it is what it is, right? So cut my losses quick on that. I literally got in at like 4 and then got out at 397. And then the other ones were MOGO. Let's see MOGO real quick. Let me just clear out the drawings. MOGO, I got in at, let's see here, at 932. So which was around this area right here. Right, so at 227 break, it's a little flat top, right? And I got in, and I obviously sold a bit too early. It went up to 233, but I got at 227 just because I thought this might, have more resistance around this area, and then it might drop, but it didn't. Well, I mean, eventually it did. So I still took my profit, right? And then the other ones I had here were BORR. I can show you that around 757. So if we pulled up BORR, I mean, this had a good move today, right? So I went in around, let's see here, around 957, right? So in this case, it'll be around this part right here. Okay, so this wasn't a perfect A+ setup, but there was a seller and it was a double top right here. So as the seller got broken down, I sold it on the way up, right? And I sold it for a cent later, but I went light on it, right? Just 1,500 or 30,000 shares. But next time when I see stocks that are under $1, I think I'm gonna go more heavier on it. As long as the pattern is there, maybe like 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares, something like that. So SNDL is another one. So I can show you that. SNDL. This, was running from, I believe, the other day, because it ran up a couple of days ago. So it ran up. I mean, this had some decent patterns, right? You could have got in at the break of 37 cents and then ride this momentum up. I mean, right now it seems like it's holding this level, which is 40 cents, right? So let's look at the 5-minute chart real quick just to see if we can find anything. I mean, there's definitely resistance around that level, right? And you can see there's a lot of upper wicks as well. Let's go back here, and if we pull up SNDL, and if we go back to the chart, right, at that 40 cents level, there's a seller right here, right? Multiple sellers, 1, 2. I mean, these are the major ones, right? So as these get broken down, you may find a move, but even then there's resistance right next. So, but with these stocks like that, I mean, these sellers can get taken out real quick, and you can definitely catch like a few cents, a couple cents, things like that. So other than that, these were the stocks I was watching. Another one was WISA. Just had a good run. I didn't trade this. It was very whippy. And that's it. Well, today's, let's see here. Today I'm up $26. Nothing big. Chump change. But green day is a green day. I was very safe. As you can tell, I only had maybe like 2 or 3 round trip trades. That's about it. So, all right, you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.